Hello, fam. Welcome to Forex and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new educative content like this. In today's video, I'm going to break down on how I literally make more than 700 pips trading gold, right? So if you look at this, this is my 4 hour time frame, which is a high time frame. If you are trading gold or if you want to trade gold, you need to make sure that you build your strategy based on zones, because when it comes to good literally respect zones a lot. So as you can see in the 4 hour time frame, you can see this particular level. This particular level is been tested multiple times. So hence we should be looking forward to see this level to hold. So it should hold from this and then buy it to an upside. So hence we'll be looking forward for buy opportunities here. So looking for buy opportunities here, then I now look forward to my 1 hour time frame to identify my previous day close and then my current day opened, right? So this particular candle is a psychological it's a psychological candle levels for me, which I literally used in which I usually use as one of the confluence of my strategy. So right. So hence you can see here. So if price is trading above, we'll look forward to see price to come back to respect this level and then we move. So here you can see price move higher, test that level, and then it is moving to the upside. So if price take off this particular place, if price take off this particular high, we'll be having a change of character, right? This will be a chop. Why? Because one rule or identification of change of character is if price tap into a level of supply or demand, that part and take off an inducement, that particular inducement tends to be a change of character. And in this case, price has tapped into a level of supply, sorry, into a level of demand, and then this is now our inducement. So if price take this inducement with a full body close above it, then it is going to be our change of character. So that is what we'll be looking forward to see. So let's also break our psychological line here. Another psychological line, which is a roundup number where institutions use this particular price level or this level to take their buys or sell to enter or exit their positions. So the psychological level that we'll have around here is 2330, right? 2330, and then let's see, we also have 2335 level add psychological level to the top, which is 23 or 2335 is also a psychological level good. So if price respect these levels, we make sure that we take a buy or a sell positions based on the market conditions. So we'll move towards the 15 minutes after where we literally take their position. What am I supposed to look for? I'm supposed to see price to take this particular high, give me a change of character, come back to take an inducement and respect a level for me to now take the buy position. So when price move higher, you can see price has respected this level, and then we'll be waiting to see price take here with a full body close. So as you can see here, when price comes to this level, price has taken the high here with a full body close. Hence, this level is now a change of character. So we're looking forward to see a retracement before we can now take the buy. So even if you are looking for the retracement, we just don't trade based on our price giving us that retracement. Why? Because we need to add other performances, which are a candlestick pattern, right? A candlestick pattern that will be our entering candle. That's where we'll find our entering candle, so we can look for a buy. So now we come back here and mark our inducement here. This is an inducement level, and then after when this inducement level form, we have 2 points of interest, which are extreme points of interest and also a decisional point of interest. So here we have this particular point of interest, and then we have this one too as well. So it is this level that we'll be looking for price to come and tap into, that we can take a buy or a sell. If price tap into this level, we'll be looking forward to see our chart pattern, then we buy. If it comes down to the extreme 2, we look forward to see our chart pattern, then do it, then we buy, or a candlestick pattern, then we buy. So as you can see, price has traded, and then it's respected. It closed above this one, this particular psychological number, which is the 2330. This is the 2330 psychological line. Tap into this extreme zone, and then rejected back to the decisional point of interest zone. So now let's look forward to see price giving us a clear chart pattern. Then we can now look forward for a buy. So when price gives us this shoot to an upside, we can now see that price wants to move to an upside. So we check on the 30 minutes time frame. We'll need to see that particular candle to be a clear rejection. So here you can see this is not a clear rejection for us in the 30 minutes time frame. So we need to still wait to see a very clear chart pattern. Then we can look for an entry. So we wait to see price comes here. Price was still consolidated. Price move back. So and then move high again. So let's see what we need to see a very clear chart pattern that can now lead to now take the buy. So now you can see this price has moved on upside and then take up this particular high. So a candle that we now see to come down, that will now be our entry candle. If we see a candle that comes out, so now this red candle here will not be our entry candle. Then we're gonna take up trade here, our buy position. We're taking a buy position here. Then my XAU is just beneath this psychological line, and then I target up to this level. So this particular target that I target here, this was 230 pips, right? So this was 230 pips. I make sure that I have a psychological line or a psychological zone around this level where my target would be. So when this psychological number is 355, which is where I'm gonna be targeting. So here that will now be 226 pips on this particular trade. So let's see how price literally. So we take our profit here with 226 pips, right? So as you can see, price move back and then comes back. See, it has respected this psychological zone 2 as well. So this was how we'll take our first position with 226 pips, and then we still wait for to see other entries to add to this particular one, so we can literally make a moment. So this was the next week. The next week you can see it didn't open, so we moved to 1 hour time frame to as well. So since if you move to a 1 hour time frame as well, we're gonna use the same approach that we're going to do. So I'm going to use this 9 as my daily opening or close level, so which is this particular one here that I have. So if I see those psychological lines are just closer to each other, so this is where I should be looking forward to be taking my entries. So back to 15 minutes time frame. So I need to see price to be trading above a counterpart below for me to take an entry, right? So I start to take my positions in the around 6 a.m. GMT, right? So this movement happens around 1 a.m. GMT. So that time I'll be on bed. So I'll not be taking this position. So I didn't take this position. So I was when I wake up, I come and then I saw this one. So when I saw this move, so when I wake up, this particular time, this was around 3. So literally, I wake around I'll wake around 3 something, and then I'll pray. I'll take my prayers to the site, the Holy Quran, and then come to my seat around account receipt by what? By 5 to 5:30. So this was 5:30. So I make sure I see this, right? So I have this as what, as my side, my inducement here. So when I have this particular inducement, then I'm now waiting to see price to take up this inducement before I can now take a position, right? So I waited to see price to trade back to this psychological level here, right? So let's wait to see what price it. So when price traded below, we see price comes to that number, and then started resisting from this level. So since price was started resisting, then this was where I took my buys again and target higher. So I target higher. This was around 267 pips, right? This was 267 pips. So let's see what's happened. So let's see what's happened, right? So this was how it's made this particular profit to as well. So using this particular strategy, you literally make a lot of profit using this particular strategy and not on gold, right? So you can use the same strategy on gold and GPUSD. So hence that's the reason why I trade gold and GPUSD. This was how I made 700 plus page trading gold using this particular strategy. So guys, I'm Malcolm Forex, logging out.